Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Mathematics from Zero. Myself Bonti Hajorika. Today we are going to introduce a new chapter which is fraction and decimals. Already in the lower classes you were getting what is fraction. Okay. Still I want to revise one more that what is fraction. Here I have written fraction. A fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. The whole may be a single object or a group of object. Okay. See, this is one picture. This is one or whole. That means say the whole picture we have taken the whole. That is why 1. Again here this is 2/4 or 2/4 parts of a whole. That means this pizza we have equally divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 we have taken 2 parts. That is why this is called 2/4 or 2/4 parts of a whole. Okay. Next, when we will give the definition of a fraction, then how will you give that a fraction is expressed, you can write like that. A fraction is expressed a fraction is expressed as a number of the form what? A by B. It is read as A by B. Where it is very important, where A and B are whole numbers. It is very important. A and B is whole numbers, but B not equal 0. B cannot be 0. Say if B will be 0, then it does not exist because this cannot be 0. Okay. So one more thing is that here A is called what? A is called numerator and B is called denominator. Okay, denominator. And when we will take one example of fraction, suppose 5/7. Okay, and depends on numerator and denominator. Fractions are divided mainly in 3 parts. Number 1, improper fraction. Improper fraction. In improper fraction, what will happen? Numerator is greater. Shortly, I have written numerator is greater than denominator. Okay. So, for example, 9/7. 9/7. Okay. Because 9 is the numerator here and 7 is the denominator. Now, come to the next. Proper fraction. Proper fraction. Okay. In proper fraction, what will happen? Numerator is less than denominator. That means, for example, 2/5, where 2 is smaller than 5. Okay. Similarly, third one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Okay. So a mixed fraction, when expressed as a combination of natural number and a proper fraction. It is a combination of natural and proper fraction. Proper fraction. Okay. So for example, 2 1 by 3. This is 2 is natural, 1 by 3 is a proper fraction. Okay. And in this video, we will discuss only the concept. Okay. First, we have to clear our concept. Then only we have to go through the exercise. Next, equivalent fraction, like fraction and unlike fraction. So first we will discuss equivalent fraction. So what is equivalent fraction? So two or more fraction which is represented the same part. That means suppose with the diagram I want to explain. This is one pizza. Suppose this pizza we have divided into half, two part, equally two part, and we have taken one part. Again, same pizza we have divided into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. Okay. And we have taken 2 parts. Now you compare both the diagram. Then what will happen? Here also from the whole pizza half taken. Here also from whole half taken. But here we have divided into 4 equal parts. Okay. So 1 by 2. Here we will write 1 by 2. Here, sorry, 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Now see, 4 parts, 2 parts taken. 2 parts, 1 part taken. Again, same pizza, if we will divide it 6 equal parts, and we have taken 3 parts. Out of 6 part, we have taken 3 part. Then also, see, from the whole pizza we have taken, it means half part only. Okay, this is called, these are called the equivalent fraction. That means their meaning same. Meaning are same. Suppose 3 by 2 or 3 by 5. Equivalent fraction is what? So when we will multiply the same number with both numerator and denominator, then we will get the equivalent fraction, 6 by 10. So 3 by 5, 6 by 10 are equivalent fraction. Okay, equivalent fraction. Next, come to the like fraction. Okay, so like fraction, in like fraction, suppose 3 by 11, 5 by 11. Now see, in both the fraction, both the denominator are same. Okay, so that is why we can say that they are like. Unlike here, denominator are same. Okay, now suppose 3 by 5, 4 by 9. So what? Denominator, when denominator are different, that is called unlike. Okay, come to the next concept. Convert unlike fraction into like. Okay, now how we can convert unlike into like? Suppose two fractions are given, 2 by 7, 9 by 14. To make it like, that means we have to make the denominator same. Now already here it is 14, but here it is 7. So can we convert 7 into 14? When we will convert 7 into 14, automatically numerator will also change. How? 2 by 7. So to make it, first of all you have to take the LCM of both the denominator. Okay. To make it like, fraction, we have to find out of LCM of denominator. Okay. So LCM of 7 and 14 is what? 14. Now our intention is to make the denominator same. So that is why 2 by 7 equal to what? 7 into 2, 2 into 2. Then it will be what? 4 by 40. Okay. So now we can write that. Hence 4 by 14, 9 by 14 are like fraction. Okay, like fraction. Next, simplest form of a number. Okay, simplest form of a number. Suppose one number is 16 by 64. Okay, simplest form. That means a fraction is said to be simplest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. So how we can write? If in a fraction if its numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. So let us take one example, 16 by 64. Okay, 16 by 64. So both the numbers are divisible by 8. So 8 2 just 16, 8 8 just 64. Now see, 2 and 8 both have the common factor 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now see, 1 and 4 have no common factor other than 1. That is why the smallest form is 1 by 4. Okay, simplest form, that is the simplest form. Next, comparison of a fraction. Okay, how to compare? Fraction having the same numerator but different denominator. That means 2 by 7 and 2 by 9. How to compare? Okay, then where the denominator is greater, okay, where the denominator is greater, that is the smallest fraction. Okay, or you can say like that, if two fractions have the same numerator but different denominator, then fraction having small denominator is greater of the two. How to write? This is greater because fraction fraction having smaller denominator is the greater of the two. That means from the two, which is the smallest denominator, 7. That is why. Next, fraction having the same denominator. Okay. Now see, here also suppose same denominator. Yes. So 4 by 7, 3 by 7. So here also, if two fraction have the same denominator but different numerator, then fraction having greater numerator. Fraction having greater numerator is the greater of the two. Okay, so from these two, which one is the greater denominator? 4. So that is why this fraction is greater. Okay, next, fraction having unequal numerator and unequal denominator. Okay, so both are not same. So like 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. How to compare? And this type of question, you just do the cross multiplication. Okay, you have to do the cross multiplication. That means cross means you have to multiply 3 with 7, 4 with 5. Now see, 3 into 7. Here 4 into 5. So 3 7s are 21, 4 5s are 20. Okay, then which one is greater? 21. Left hand side, what we will get? 21. 21 is greater than 20. That means we will get 3 by 5 is greater than 4 by 7. Okay, that is the answer we are getting. Comparison. Okay, or one more thing is that you can do another way also, or make the denominator same by taking LCM. Then also you can compare both the fraction, because when both the denominator is same, then we have to compare only the numerator. Okay, so that's it for today. Next class we will discuss how to add the fraction, how to subtract the fraction, how to multiply the fraction, how to divide the fraction. Okay, till that you just practice yourself whatever discussed today. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.